Welcome to the completed Premier Montessori Academy in Burnaby, where we transformed a charming older home into a modern, safe early learning center. Our client's vision was to create a child-friendly environment with the highest standards for safety, efficiency, and comfort. Working with Pacific West Architecture and BC Building Science, we delivered a durable, energy-efficient building envelope to support long-term performance. We reinforced the structure to meet today's codes and installed modern HVAC, plumbing, and electrical systems. Inside, the Academy features custom millwork, durable non-toxic flooring, and bright, functional learning spaces designed for Montessori teaching. Outside, we created safe, accessible play areas and added new staff parking, delivering a welcoming and practical space for children, educators, and families. At Rely Construction, we're proud to build spaces that enrich communities. Subscribe for more project stories, and visit relyconstruction.ca to learn how we can bring your vision to life.